Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will help you make delicious shrimp Diablo. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need 1 pound of raw shrimp, peeled and deveined, along with 3 cloves of minced garlic and 1/4 cup of chopped onion. Don't forget 2 tablespoons of olive oil, 1 can of diced tomatoes, and 1 to 2 finely diced jalapenos for that signature kick. Having everything ready makes cooking a breeze. Now, let's create that incredible spicy sauce. Begin by sautéing your minced garlic and chopped onion in olive oil until they're wonderfully fragrant. Next, add the diced tomatoes and those fiery jalapenos to the pan. Stir in 1 teaspoon of chili powder and 1/2 teaspoon of cumin for depth. Let this simmer gently for 5 to 7 minutes, allowing all those fantastic flavors to truly meld together. With your sauce simmering beautifully, it's time for the star of the show, the shrimp. Carefully add your peeled and deveined shrimp directly into the hot sauce. Cook them for just 3 to 5 minutes or until they turn a lovely pink color. Remember, we want tender, juicy shrimp, so avoid overcooking. Stir occasionally to ensure every piece is perfectly coated in that delicious, spicy sauce. Your incredible shrimp Diablo is now ready to enjoy. For a fresh finish, garnish with some chopped fresh cilantro and a squeeze of bright lime juice. This dish is fantastic served hot over fluffy rice, your favorite pasta, or with warm tortillas for scooping up all that amazing sauce. Get ready to savor this flavorful and spicy creation. It's truly a treat.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.